Today we are overthinking about indecisiveness. Guys, if you're an overthinker like me, there's a high chance that you are also indecisive. या तो तुम्हें इस चीज़ का डर है कि what if I end up regretting this later, or you fear कि what if someone comes up to you tomorrow and says तुमने ये decide किया था, तुमने ये decision लिया था, now stick with it, you have to make it work. And of course, I am not talking about our parents. Or maybe you feel like what if I made this decision today based on what I like today, बट क्या पता कल को मेरी चॉइस बदल जाए. वॉट इफ आई डोंट लाइक इट एनी मोर. और इट्स ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट वे ऑफ unintentionally avoiding responsibility and accountability, because अगर तुमने decision लिया ही नहीं है, you can easily blame someone else for it. Like for example, a lot of times your parents will make a decision for you in life and it's very easy for you to later say, you made this decision for me, आपकी वजह से मेरी लाइफ ख़राब हुई है, आपकी वजह से मेरे साथ ये गलत हुआ है, तो तुम्हें वो अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं लेनी पड़ी एंड इट्स मच ईजियर फॉर दैट टू हैपन. सो दैट्स ऑल्सो द रीज़न वाई वी आर सो स्कैर्ड ऑफ मेकिंग अ डिसीजन फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. See, no matter what reason, but I think overthinkers are extremely indecisive because we put so much pressure on ourselves to make the right decision. Matlab, I to personally have struggled with this so much. You could send me to a store and be like, okay, so what colored water bottle do you want? And I would act as if I've been sent to war and I'm being asked कि if I want to lose my right arm or my left arm. मैं ऐसे एक्ट करती थी एक वाटर बॉटल चूज करने में. You know how when we were younger, our parents would let us pick like one junk food item for the day कि ठीक है आज एक कोई junk food item खा लो या एक कुछ unhealthy खा लो. Would you believe it if I told you I struggled with that as well? This is any child's dream, right? Your parents send you to a store and are like, okay, pick anything that you want, any one thing that you want. And I am struggling with that also. I rarely experimented. And by experimented, I mean I rarely picked anything else other than a red lace or a green lace. Yes, those were my safe choices. And yes, a red lace and a green lace. You can hate me for it, okay? But if I am sad and if I'm low on energy, I will have a red lace, and if I'm happy, I'll have a green lace. I don't know how it makes sense, but it makes sense. I rarely would get anything new or unique or different because I was like, what if I pick something that I don't end up liking? और देखा जाए तो क्या ही हो जाता? Like I would have just gotten something that I didn't like for one evening, and I would have gotten another chance, another day to get something else. I would have just realized कि मुझे क्या अच्छा लगता है क्या नहीं अच्छा लगता है, but नहीं, I restricted my choices. और indecisiveness को beat करने का एक बहुत आसान सा तरीका होता है कि आप अपने options को ही limit कर लो. जैसे I had limited my options, या तो I was having a red lace or a green lace. Similarly, if you see me, if you meet me, there's a 90% chance that I'll be wearing something black. It helps you cut your time of making a decision. It helps you get to things faster. Of course, in such trivial matters, it's great because आपको ज़्यादा time नहीं waste करना है in thinking कि आज मैं कौन सी color की shirt पहनूं. But you are also limiting your options. Now, personally, I do believe that it's best to know what you like, what you don't like, and then giving yourself less options only so that life is easier for you. I do believe in that. But when it comes to other things in life, or like when it comes to other important aspects of your life, जहाँ पे तुम ये pattern repeat कर रहे हो, that can be a little risky, especially when you don't know what you like. मेरी life में एक particular chapter है where I truly struggled with this indecisiveness thing, and I realized that my intuition cannot be trusted. उस दिन मुझे समझ आ गया that मुझे पता ही नहीं है मेरा इंटुइशन क्या है या मुझे क्या चाहिए, एंड ट्रस्टिंग दैट फीलिंग ऑफ एंग्जाइटी एंड थिंकिंग अरे यही मेरा इंटुइशन है can be the silliest thing that you can do. So after school I had to make a decision कि मुझे कौन से कॉलेज में जाना है, and उससे बड़ा decision मेरे लिए ये था कि do I want to stay back in the city that I am born and brought up in, or do I want to move cities? Now मैंने उस वक्त at the age of 18 or something, I had decided what I wanted in life and I had planned out everything. According to that plan, I had to stay back in the city that I am from. But when this opportunity was presented to me, when my friends and my family members told me कि nahi, you should go out, you should experiment, you should see what's out there, I was like, but it does not really align with my plan. Like what if I go there and I don't know what to do? I was waking up every single day and I was making pros and cons lists. Honestly, my intuition and my heart was telling me कि nahi, stay back in the city that you are from, don't go out. And I can tell you today that I am so glad. I am so glad that I did not listen to my intuition, because that was not my intuition. It was me just trying to protect myself. मैं डिसीजन इस बेसिस पे नहीं ले रही थी कि मेरे लिए क्या सही है, मेरे करियर के लिए क्या सही है. मैं डिसीजन इस बेसिस पे ले रही थी कि मेरे लिए क्या कंफर्टेबल है, क्या ऐसा नैरेटिव है जो मैं ज़्यादा कंट्रोल कर पाऊंगी, कहाँ ज़्यादा अनसर्टेनिटी है. And that's really scary. Imagine if I went with it. Of course, if I went with it, I would have thought that's just the way of life. And today I am so grateful that I decided to go against what my intuition was saying and see what's out there. जो मैं लाइफ उस टाइम जीना चाहती थी, in that narrative of my life, I am living that today. You get what you want. That's the point. You will get what you want, but how? That you cannot control. वाओ, लाइक isn't that so beautiful? तुम हाउ को नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकते. इट्स लाइक यू पुट ऑन योर मैप्स ऐप कि तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है, बट अब तुम कैसे जाओगे, किस रास्ते से, किस मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से, वो तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है. वो तो मतलब दैट यू विल हैव टू लेट हैपन इन द बेस्ट वे पॉसिबल. बट एवर सिंस देन गाइज, आई थिंक आई हैव गॉटन मच बेटर विद मेकिंग डिसीजंस. या तो मैं एक ऐसी स्टेज पे पहुंच चुकी हूँ लाइफ की वेर आई एम लाइक ठीक है यार, मेरे को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता कि मेरी लाइफ में क्या डिसीजन लिया जा रहा है, एंड I will make anything work. या फिर I have gotten better at it. And there are a few things that I wrote down जो मुझे लगता है that have helped me beat my indecisiveness to a certain extent.